Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Sephora Play unbagging for the month of February. Well, the theme for this month is Mix Your Love Potion. Okay. As always, you get the 50 beauty insider points that I always forget to use. Here's the bag. Still doing this boring plastic bag. Okay, first thing in the bag is from Clinique. This is the Moisture Surge 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. It is a refreshing gel cream that boosts moisture and it helps skin stay hydrated. There it is. Don't mind my Band-Aid. Mama got a boo-boo. Also, do you guys like my shirt? Do you like it? Do you like it? Totally cute. If you are interested in purchasing one, I'll have a link down below. What is this? Another thing from Clinique. All right. This is the Lined Up for Success eyeliner. A richly pigmented eyeliner pencil in a deep black shade. Clinique eyeliner. Black eyeliner, not much you can say about it except I have 65 million of them now. Next is something from Clinique. No, just kidding. It's from Kat Von D. I think this might be the bonus. Yes, this is the bonus this month. This is the Saint and Sinner perfume sample. This duo of fragrances shows opposites attract. Saint is dreamy and alluring, while Sinner is dark and empowering. I actually already have samples of these exact perfumes, and not really a fan of them. Okay, next we have something from Caudalie. This is the Vino Perfect, I feel like I've gotten this before. Vino Perfect Serum, an oil-free brightening serum that visibly evens skin tone. I don't know if I've gotten in a Sephora Play bag before or in another subscription box bag thing. This looks familiar. Alright, two things left. This is from Wander Beauty. This is the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Masks. I don't know why I have a problem saying that word. Masks. This is a set of gold foil eye masks that brighten and hydrate skin. They look like right there, just little gold eye masks. Alright, and one more thing in the bag. This is from Bite Beauty. And it is a lipstick in the color Sake. Sake. I think I might have this color actually. It is a high impact lipstick in a rich dusty mauve color with a soft creamy texture. I love Bite Beauty lipsticks. Oh, maybe I don't have this color. That's really pretty. Okay, so my thoughts on this bag, you know, it's all right. I'm not too excited about it. The most exciting thing to me is the Bite Beauty lipstick, although I'm pretty sure I already have this color. Let me check. I don't, so that's exciting. So yes, excited about this lip color. Really, really pretty. All right, everything else, like I said, not a fan of the perfume, not a fan of Kat Von D in general. And this Clinique Moisture Surge, you know, I'll try it out. Another black eyeliner to add to my collection. And what else did I get? Serum from Caudalie. Like I said, I feel like I've gotten it before and someone's knocking on my door. I've never used it, so not really excited about that. And then these guys, I'm excited about these guys. I'll definitely use them. So again, not like a super exciting bag, but not like super disappointing either. So there's that. If you guys are interested in signing up for Sephora Play, I will have a link down below. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.